Feather will be the first one. Remember, he is not considered the number one puller now, so he will have to take his measurement. So he cannot come back or drop. This is the one who will start the class. This is where we'll get our first leader for the Peterbilt out of Albright, West Virginia. Here comes Kyle Feather. And he's going right down around the 250. Good run. And that's your leader right there, Kyle Feather with the Peterbilt.